Today I will be showing you the recipe of this no oil jeera chicken. So we begin by marinating chicken with some whisked dahi, puree of 1 tomato, some lemon juice, and then lots of ginger garlic paste. This is freshly made, but you can use it out of a packet as well. Now I'll be adding roasted jeera powder. I would recommend you make this freshly. This is 2 tablespoons of freshly roasted and brown jeera. Red chilli powder. This is Kashmiri red chilli powder just for the color, not much spice. Haldi powder. Garam masala powder. Salt to taste. And lots of coriander leaves. Now this is all that goes into this. You can mix this well and let it marinate, or you can proceed immediately as well. It doesn't matter. And then transfer the contents to a hot kadhai. Oil is not required for this. You can just transfer the contents as it is and let it cook covered. If you want a gravy consistency, then add enough water as you may need. Or if you want it a dry consistency, then you need not add water, just cook it dry. Cover and let it cook. This might take around 30 minutes and there it's ready. That's all that it took. Garnish with a lot more coriander leaves, and then here I've served it with some vegetable pulao. This goes very well with roti as well.